Good evening, I'm Rhea Chaw. Thank you for joining us for 18 News at 6. Zach Wheeler has the night off. Tonight, we bring you the details of a grisly crime out of Waverly. One man is now behind bars after he allegedly bound and terrorized two people in their Bradford County home after assaulting them multiple times. This is our top story this evening, and we must warn you some might find the details of this case to be disturbing. Aaron Collins allegedly entered a home in Windham Township, tied two people up, and assaulted them several times. According to the original arrest report, Collins fired a shotgun at a woman, just missing her head, and drilled 3 holes into a man's thigh using a power drill. Collins allegedly believed the man that was engaged in child trafficking and was attempting to get him to confess. Collins left the two bound and gagged and then stole a car. Collins was sentenced to incarceration in a Pennsylvania State Correctional Facility for up to 24 years and charged with aggravated assault, reckless endangerment, and terroristic threats. Meanwhile, an